Every business owner knows that speed matters when it comes to responding to leads. But let's be honest, you can't always drop what you're doing to answer every message the second it comes in. That's where CoraSuite's AI Assistant comes in. Studies show that businesses that follow up within 5 minutes are 9 times more likely to convert leads. This tool instantly responds to inquiries, answers common questions, and keeps potential customers engaged 24/7, even when you and your staff are off the clock. No more missed leads, no more losing business to competitors just because they responded first. Let's break down how it works and how you can start using it today. Step 1. How the AI assistant works. The moment someone reaches out to your business, whether through a phone call, text, social media, or your website, CoreSuite's AI steps in to respond right away. If a potential client asks about pricing, availability, or services, the AI provides an instant answer. If they're interested in booking, the AI can send them your calendar link on the spot. If they just have a general question, the AI can guide them toward the next step in the process. The best part? It all happens automatically. No waiting, no manual work. Just a smooth, professional experience for your prospective customers. Step 2. Customizing your AI conversations. You're in full control of how your AI assistant interacts with customers. You can customize responses to sound exactly like you, making it feel personal and natural. Want the AI to ask potential clients about their needs before booking? Easy. Need it to direct leads to a specific service page? Done. Prefer a warm and friendly tone? You got it. CoraSuite's AI isn't just an autoresponder, it's a smart assistant that adapts to your business. Step 3. Tracking conversations and optimizing responses. The AI does the heavy lifting, but you're always in the loop. Inside CoraSuite, you can see every AI conversation, track responses, and make adjustments anytime. If a lead has a complex question, the AI can seamlessly hand it off to you when it's time for a real conversation. If you notice a common question coming up, you can tweak the AI's responses to improve conversions. You'll always know how many leads the AI is engaging with, so you can see its impact in real time. Turn leads into customers on autopilot. With CoraSuite's AI Assistant, you don't have to hope you respond fast enough. You just do, every single time. Want to see how it works for your business? Book a free discovery call today and let's set up your AI assistant so you never miss a lead again.